What's up guys, welcome back to my video. Today we are on this vanilla round server. And comment down below if I should be a helper like 2 or 3 years or something. But anyway. We are remodeling. I'm bringing that screen to take down that house over there. And I'm gonna build a hotel. I took down this house, there's no house there. Yeah, I built like a deck, like where you guys can go fishing. I mentioned that last video and stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna build like a hole over there and stuff. But anyway, I have a lot to do, so anyway, it's about anyway, I actually thought about this last, like on, like, I built the shop on YouTube once, and it was there, and all the way over here. So, yeah, and I'm starting to get a light truck, a cheap one. And I didn't realize this, but I just bought a stack of diamonds for like 32 emeralds or something. Yeah, so like this is all my stuff, slash creeper stuff, and that's mostly creeper stuff. This is where I keep the villagers and the animals. I'm gonna have to get some more stuff. Yeah, we also have another house. I could go up there. Damn. I think I showed you this last time, but anyway, we like remodeled this. Creeper actually found this, and then I was trying to look for him, and yeah, we have a
You want to start a wave?
no. Where?
At your house.
No, to send the villagers out. Yeah, you can
You
like...
can cover it.
No. But anyway. You go up here. This might be a short video though. Hi, creeper. Go up here. Yeah, we're ooh, nice. That looks actually lit. That looks actually lit. So we remodeled that fireplace. Oh yeah, we're gonna make a TV. And then we got all of this. This is gonna be the kitchen. Dining room. My bedroom was down there. And Atama, whatever his name is gonna live with us in here. I actually thought he would say no, but and then yeah. Creeper's bedroom.
What's up, guys?
Anyway. Atama's bedroom, whatever his name is. And right here we actually have an attic. We have 2 attics, which is pretty cool. And yeah, we also have a storage room, which is pretty crazy. This could probably be like the pantry, maybe. But like, we have a lot of chests. What? But anyway, yeah, I mean, one thing you wanna, oh yeah, we have this porch. Back here, I was thinking about building like a, balcony type of thing. Also, there's a balcony over there. And we could, if we wanted to, Creeper, we could extend this.
No.
I don't know. But, forgot about this, but whatever. But yeah, we did a lot of work on this. There's like another part of this that we might have to work on sometime. Like this part. Yeah, like I said, we have a outpost right there. Yeah. Outpost over there. Gonna do this. That's probably gonna be another storage thing. But, like, I don't know what this is, like a grape farm or something? Blueberry farm? I don't know. But, anyway. It's probably gonna be it. The last video, remember when I said, shout out to all you mothers? Yeah, the other day was Mother's Day. So, yeah. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, do all that epic stuff. Don't forget to check out Creeper, Hunter Diamond. Well, that's me. But Creeper, Green Kid 1, Mrs. Beast, 180 Gaming Shorts, and I forgot about this every time I keep doing it, but go ahead and subscribe to Certified Flea. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.